So it's not as small or as light, but I think half of a iPad charging brick is the good measure. Look.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, finally the wait is over. My Rode Wireless Go is here. I'm gonna quickly unbox it and demo very briefly because I have a massive comparison video on its way. I'm gonna actually compare it on my next video to my Rode VideoMicro. My current lapel mic, I'm gonna compare it to some other surprises that I don't want to spoil here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this baby. I've seen many people unbox it already. I can actually share the screen capture here that I watched everything available so far, and I want to go above and beyond in this one and really share it and compare the size with, say, a regular GoPro battery, an iPad charger, or an iPhone charger. I want to see how it compares to all these three things. So the box is like the other Rode boxes. The paper quality, ta-da-da, is almost identical, and now I'm suffering because I skipped other people's unboxing videos. Oh, okay, actually this was more of an outer shell. Now we have the box here. The box looks pretty good again. Now we lost the colors though. The inner box is black and white, and you tear this part up. So when you buy one, you know that it's brand new because this is a very secure way of doing that. So here there's a quick start guide. The quick start guide is also part of the box. So this is a really quick and compact start guide. And finally it is here. Man, I've been fantasizing about this. Let me put it this way. I've been so enthusiastic about this since I saw it, because I was looking into getting the Rode Link Filmmakers kit, but oh my god, like the size, I'm telling you, is amazing. It's like, it's so minimalistic, exactly what I'm looking for. And the build quality is also super promising. It's like not rubberized, regular plastic here, I think. Oh, and here is the lapel mic, the inbuilt one, and then you can also put your own lapel here. But since we're dealing with Rode, I'm quite sure that this will require some sort of an adapter, because like Rode's dongle is their TRS to TRSS stuff. And here we have the two USB-C cables. I'm glad. I mean, I had my GoPro's USB-C charging cables, but now I'm glad that I have more. Let's see what it says here. Basically, you transmitter, yeah, you put the unit that you put on your cell phone first, and then put it on, and then you put on the receiver. That's the thing you put on your camera, and it's gonna look perfect. By the way, I'm using a GoPro for this demonstration to film, because I'm gonna show you what it looks like on my Canon M50. So there's nothing else in this box. Apparently quality control is passed. Alright, that is good. We have this thing that we usually throw away, and this is the Rode cable SC2. I think SC4 is the one you need to attach other stuff, but I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. This is quite regular. I think I even have a spare of this, yeah, TRSS. We have again the regulatory safety instructions that people don't usually read. I'm just checking if there's there's nothing interesting here. And for more information, we have a QR code, that's always useful. And then the pouch is here. The pouch is super compact. Let me show you how things get in the pouch and how does it look when they're in the pouch. I mean, if you're not crazy, you would carry one of these, and this is certainly a must. Would I really put these two in here? Well, depends. Like, I think I would not even put any here. Like, my charging gear would stay out, and this is super compact. Like, just to show you the size, this is an iPad adapter. This is the US version, so I don't know. I hope the European versions are also similar. This is it. This is really good. Maybe I can compare it to my iPhone. My iPhone is this life-proof case, so it's kind of massive. Basically, it's smaller than an iPhone. Of course, it's not as slim, but I like the case. It is. I mean, it is screaming of good quality, and we have the Rode thingy here. Yeah, I think I can just get rid of the box now. Sorry, I'm taking a lot of time, but this has been something that I've been waiting for so long since I heard about it. Like this year, I couldn't make it to NAB, and I won't do that again. So for the size comparison, this is a GoPro Hero 5 and above series battery. This is what it looks like. So it's not as small or as light, but I think half of a iPad charging brick is the good measure. Look, one is white, one is black, and it's a match. Yep. So yeah, half an iPad brick. It's a really good size. Like, and here is an iPhone charger. So it's not much of a comparison here, but like this is my palm, and it's smaller than my palm. And I'm a 6'1" or 6 foot, so that's 185 in European measure, and that's what it is. It's really good. And the greatest thing about this one is this clip-on part. So because it clips on stuff, well, actually this part matters more. This is going to clip on your camera. Let me grab my camera for a second. So there it is. This is my Canon M50, and you see that this is the hot shoe mount. This is the transmitter. Sorry, this is the receiver unit. So basically this is the one that should go here, and boom. Like, there is nothing else in the market which has such slim profile. Like, this is almost not there, and I'm like shaking it vigorously here. It stays there. I'm even pushing it a little bit. It's like it stays there beautifully, gets in and out, beautiful. This goes on to your shirt, and I'm testing it out of camera now, sorry about it, but it also is a fantastic fit. For the moment, I think this will be all. This will be the unboxing. Let me go ahead and plug it in, and you'll hear me from the Rode Wireless Go. Now I have the Rode Wireless Go attached to me. You can see here it's on my Canon M50. Look at this profile. Like, it's almost nothing. It's not gonna scare anyone. I can see what's going on here. This is actually recording. You can see my hand over there. You can control the dB. This is like the gain. I'm gonna change the gain a little bit. First of all, I think it is necessary to change the internal sound recording. I'm gonna get it. Oh yeah, this is going crazy. Look how hot this is. Can you guys see yeah. So this is no good. Let me change the dB a little bit. But what I'm gonna do is that I'm actually going to change the sound recording level to as almost mute, and then only one click to the right. So I think this is the recommended thing, and you see the gain levels are already recovering, but I'm here seeing that there's a lot of peaking. So let me switch that a little bit. I think now we're doing a better job. What do you guys think? And maybe I should start recording so that you can hear me. So, am I missing anything? 12 dB, where are we? Is it a bit better? Maybe this will be the best setting. I don't know, I'm not sure. dB is minus 40 decibels on the other one. Now we're peaking big time. Now what's going on? We are back to, I think, minus 12 is this. Minus 6 will be ideal in this condition. So without further ado, let me present you Rode Wireless Go. Okay, now we are recording on Rode Wireless Go. So how do I sound? I'm looking at the peaking here. I'm really close by, but it is actually not peaking. So I think I did a good job with the gain. I'm not gonna edit the video in the post, so you can go ahead and let me know down below in the comment section how am I doing. We can maybe test the gain in live demo, but let's first test it. I'm gonna say something that I will keep repeating in my other reviews, and I'm gonna use the ceramic mic in GoPro and compare it to wireless in the next 10 seconds. So, roses are red, violets are blue. Subscribe to my channel, all your wishes shall come true. Roses are red, violets are blue. Subscribe to my channel, all your wishes shall come true. Roses are red, violets are blue. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and all your wishes shall come true. So how do I sound? By the way, this was a shameless plug. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, we are on Canon M50, Rode Wireless Go is here. I'm in a very confined room. It's actually a small room. Maybe, am I on auto here? I can quickly show you around. There it is. The wall is right ahead of me. We have the window here, and this is kind of what it looks like. Now you know what my studio looks like. Alright, ceremonic here. Like, this is the actually usable distance for the ceremonic. I'm sure Wireless Go is kicking its butt now. Okay, when I actually laugh, I'm kind of peeking, so I should not laugh that loudly. Alright guys, so these are my first impressions, and as I mentioned, there will be a lot of comparisons. By the way, this is the Rode what was the name of this? Rode VideoMicro's dead kit. Imagine having this in the middle of the way compared to just having this. Look at the profile difference. Like, now it's on my finger, but I think you can still tell. So Rode Wireless Go is here. If you like what it sounds like, go ahead and grab yours. If you want to see my comparison with VideoMicro and other microphones that I have actually a very high quality microphone here that I will compare it with soon. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and obviously see you on the next one. Arrivederci.